Begin your academic journey in London with Chapter White City, where luxury meets student living effortlessly. Choose from a range of stylish accommodations including studios, en-suites, and 1- and 2-bedroom apartments tailored to your needs. Each room offers ample space and a comfortable bed to make your stay peaceful. But that's just the beginning. Enjoy quiet study spaces for focused sessions with high-speed internet facilities, join resident events, and make use of the meeting room for important calls. Stay active in the on-site gym and let the on-site laundry facilities handle your chores. With all utility bills, water, electricity, heating, and Wi-Fi included, managing your budget is hassle-free, while the on-site security team ensures your safety. Perfectly located near London College of Fashion UAL and BPP University, Shepherd's Bush Center, Chapter White City offers the ultimate student living experience. Savor nearby dining at Hikaru Sushi and Downbury, grab a quick coffee at Sunrise Cafe, or shop for essentials at Iceland Supermarket London or Lidl. Plus, with Western Avenue Savoy Circus, Stop D, just a short walk away, exploring the city is a breeze. Ready to embrace vibrant London living? Visit amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at Chapter White City today.